Hello dear subscribers, today I will tell you how to fix TikTok sound not syncing with video after upload. So first thing, just please check your internet connection. So mostly it's unstable connection. So firstly, just try to turn off Wi-Fi and turn it on again. If that doesn't work, just try to restore your phone. So sometimes it also helps, and just try to upload this video again. So another thing you could try to clear cache on your TikTok. So just try to go to the settings. In the settings, you just need to find free up space and just try to clear cache. So just tap here. So also another thing, if you please try to add video without adding audio from TikTok. So just try if you won't see that back without actually TikTok audio. So thanks for watching. Have a nice day. Please download my applications. Have a nice day. Subscribe to my channel. I will add the video to description. Thanks. Bye.